Welcome to day one of ZenTen with Zentangle and Jacki Rose CZT. So let's take a nice deep breath in and out. Get very relaxed, get comfortable, and when you're ready, open up your sketchbook and with your pencil, put a dot in each corner with each breath. Take a nice deep breath in and out with each dot, nice and slow, nice and relaxed. And then with each breath, very gently and slowly, connect the dots to create a frame. You can turn your sketchbook anytime you want to get a nice comfortable position. And now we're going to draw a string which divides this border, into sections. So what we're going to do is draw a little circle in the middle. And from that circle, we're going to start to draw a slightly curved line to an edge. It really doesn't matter where you start on the circle or where you land on the top edge. Anywhere is fine. And now we're going to do that same thing and land somewhere on the right side edge. Just a nice curved, and it doesn't matter how curved or how straight it comes. And you might want to turn your sketchbook. We're going to do two more. And we're dividing this into 4 sections. Focus on how that pencil feels against the paper. This is a mindfulness art experience where we let everything go. We don't focus on the outcome. We just relax into each stroke. So this is day one of ZenTen for this first week. And each day we're going to do one pattern in each section. So today we're going to start with this section here. I'm going to show you one pattern, and then tomorrow you'll get another recording of the next pattern for the next section, and so on. And on day 5, which will be on Friday, I will do a recording for the shading of all of them. Okay. So the first pattern we're going to do today, or only pattern, is the pattern Ah. And I'll write that down over here. A-H-H. It's an original Zentangle pattern. Lots of fun. So what you'd want to do is let's grab our pencil and draw a little circle anywhere at all in that section. And off of that circle, we're going to draw a line, and at the end of the line, a nice solid round shape, little ball. Going nice and slow, relax, breathe in and out. Let's draw another line. Focusing on that stroke. Pay attention to how the pen feels in your hand and how the ink drops to the paper. And then we're going to keep doing this, but you want to start drawing these lines different sizes, different lengths. Going around that circle. There's no perfection in Zentangle, so these don't have to be straight lines. You can see how I'm adding some shorter ones now. Nice and slow, relaxed. Breathing in and out. And you're going to keep adding more lines in between the ones you've drawn, and you'll keep just adding different ones. Remember, you can turn your sketchbook, or if you're just working with a piece of paper, that's fine too. I really recommend a sketchbook so you can keep them all in the same book if you're going to continue doing this every day. But it doesn't matter, whatever feels good to you. Nice and slow and relaxed, focusing on each stroke, letting go of what it looks like. Every stroke is deliberate and on purpose. Paying attention to each thing that you draw, just letting your pen do what it wants to do. Tapping into your own inner artist. If you have a desire to take this pattern and do something totally different with it, then do it. Pay attention to your inner creativity. Zentangle's all about doing what feels good to you and tapping into your inner artist that you might not even thought you had. And just because these ZenTens are only 10 minutes long doesn't mean you can't keep tangling or keep drawing once the recording is over. You can continue this pattern on another page in your sketchbook if you want to. Doing 10 minutes every day of a little meditation or a little Zentangle, which Zentangle to me is the same thing as meditation, if you follow the Zentangle method of letting go of the outcome and focusing on being in the present moment. And doing this every day clears your head, calms down your brain, and gives you lots of physical and mental, emotional benefits. If you do this in the morning, most likely you'll be able to handle whatever comes your way, a little bit more calmer, a little bit more acceptance, and you're going to just feel a lot better. Less stress, more joy. And I'd like to encourage you to feel joy today. No matter what's going on in the world, we all have the right to feel joy and peace and serenity. And boy, was that a quick 10 minutes. We've got about 30 seconds left. So tomorrow you'll get the recording for the next section and the next pattern. And as these recordings pile up, if you miss a day or two, you can always go back and watch more than one recording in one day. So relax, keep tangling, and have a wonderful day.